sirloin reduced, $16.66. First step, buy the meat. Step 2 is dry it off with paper towel, salt it, and pop it in the fridge on a wire rack. Pull it out of the fridge, give it some good steak seasoning, and get your pan ripping hot. Hey, we got our $16.66 baseball steaks. A little bit of Submarine approved peanut oil. Throw that in our pan. This thing's just about smoking hot. We're gonna take our steaks and put them down for 1 minute, all the way around. Look at that. Just over that side. 1 more minute. We're gonna get both sides. Gonna hold it for a minute. Yeah, and then 1 more minute on that side. And then we're gonna lay that one down. Lay that one down. Set the timer. 1 minute. Right back. All right. Thumbs up. Flip to this side. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Look at that. Nice crust on there. So one more minute on our baseball steak. Be right back. Our minute's up. Take these off and let them rest in the bowl. And then we're going to lower the temperature. Temperature come down and deglaze with some red wine vinegar. Some butter. Put some butter in there. Turn on the exhaust fan. Get that out of here. Yeah, we got all that flavor, all that fond off the bottom of the pan. Butter's almost melted. Took some broccoli. Steamed it up in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Throw that in there. Absorb that flavor. Put that butter in there. And we'll cover it up. Be back in a minute. All right, we're back. The steaks have been resting for about 3 or 4 minutes. Got the broccoli doing broccoli things in there. Push that over to one side. And then put our steaks back in there. They're perfect, but just gonna finish them off in here. Low, we got the stove on low. Add a little bit more butter. Put the lid on. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Be right back. 3, 2, 1. See the steam coming out of there? Ooh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Put these over in the butter. Yeah. Put them right on the plate. Baseball steaks. Out of the park. broccoli absorbed all that nice gravy in there. Turn off the heat. And we're gonna dump all that good stuff right on there. Yeah. Alrighty. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Get the rest of that too. Alright, get on there. All that good pepper sauce. The fond is all off the pan. Now the hardest part is waiting 5 minutes for those to rest. Got my salad. Got my Tough Gong. Hi, buddy. And thanks for coming again to Chef Tech Metal Garage Kitchen. Woohoo!